Adding resources in Microsoft Project involves defining and managing people, equipment, or materials needed for your project. Here's a step-by-step guide. Open Microsoft Project. Start your project. Open Microsoft Project and either create a new project or open an existing one. Access the Resource Sheet view. Navigate to Resource Sheet. Click on the View tab in the ribbon and select Resource Sheet from the Resource View section. This view allows you to enter and manage resources. Enter resource information. Add resource names. In the Resource Sheet view, enter each resource's name in the Resource Name column. Resources can be people, equipment, or materials. Specify resource type. In the Type column, choose the resource type from work, material, or cost. Define resource availability. Enter the resource's maximum capacity in the Max Units column. Set rates. Input the standard rate for hourly or unit cost in the Standard Rate column. For overtime, enter the overtime rate. Assign resources to tasks. Switch to Gantt chart. In the Gantt chart view, select the task, then go to the Resource tab and choose Assign Resources. Select the appropriate resources from the list and click Assign. Manage and adjust. Update details. Adjust resource details as needed in the Resource Sheet. Manage availability, rates, and assignments to reflect changes in your project.